everybody. So today we're gonna be heading to a place called Lio Beach. This place was closed until recently, even though all the other beaches opened a few weeks ago. This place remained closed. I think it's because the airport is there, so I guess it had a bit of stricter rules. But yeah, we're hoping to go there soon. We're just about to have a late lunch and head there, and hopefully the weather's gonna be okay. Can't really tell from here at the moment. So we're just gonna have a quick lunch. Carol's already brought it out. So the owners cooked this for us. It's a Filipino spring roll. I think they call the wrap here lumpia. Just grab one of these. Maybe I'll grab two. Quite a lot in here. Grab the lettuce. And then I think you just put it like this.
Wrap it around.
That's really tasty. I'm not sure what's inside that, do you know? Carrots maybe? Cabbage?
Yeah, and this thing looks like a pasta, I don't know.
Oh, the string.
Yeah, the string thing, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure what is that. Tastes really good though, especially with the lettuce. Yeah, look. See more of the carrots. Yeah, so it's nice here. They always give us some of the food that they cook. Almost every week they bring stuff for us to eat and try out, like Filipino stuff. So yeah, it's been really good tasting all these different things that they cook. Alright, so we've entered Lio now. Look how crazy this looks. This is one of the coolest roads we've probably seen in El Nido. Maybe the coolest. Didn't expect this at all. Yeah, I think this is the road to the beach. I'm not sure. But yeah, this looks insane. Like all sorts of different plants and stuff.
It's a big jungle.
Yeah, it is. I hope they keep it this way. This looks amazing. We have made it. Ghost town, another one. Ghost neighborhood.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So here it is, our first time ever seeing this beach. Seems to be huge, goes all the way down there. You want to walk on this pier?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah?
How it looks.
Check it out. I brought the drone, but no drone zone. It's right next to the
airport.
The airport's just down there, so you can't even walk that way. It says no entry, restricted area. That's the island we'd always see from the front, from like Calan and El Nido, but you can see from the side view, it's absolutely gigantic. Made it to the end of the pier. The weather and clouds look crazy. I can't tell what's going on right now. Even when we were coming on the way, it rained a little bit, so yeah, it's all over the place. Even now you can see like rain back there. Really sunny on the beach now. Cloudy on this side. You think we're gonna get soaked?
Probably.
Probably.
But now we always carry our rain jackets in a motorbike. It's always there, so if we need, we have.
Yeah, we're safe.
Yeah.
I didn't realize Lio would be this cool though. Looks amazing.
It's beautiful, and there are some restaurants, a resort or something, so it's a very nice place to stay, I think.
All right, you want to head that way back there? Yeah, super hot, right? Yeah, so it seems to be pretty small, the part with the stores and the restaurants and stuff. Looking back there now, the majority of the places seem to be closed. Obviously, like I said before, this place is only just reopened, so yeah, we're literally like the only people here, I think, tourists anyway. It's nice though, because like they've kept all the nature and the trees and stuff, even with all the buildings. That's one of the sad things about El Nido town. El Nido town, they pretty much destroyed everything. It's just a lot of like rundown buildings there, so the town itself doesn't look very attractive since they didn't leave that much nature. But places like Korong Korong and yeah, here look a lot more beautiful. Carol versus the tractor. I wonder why there's a tractor here on the sand.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Hello. It's a shame though, right? Everywhere is closed.
Yeah, but there's no clients, so I think most of the places are not ready to open because they know they're not gonna make money, or just not enough money to be open.
Yeah, they can't all open when there's just a few tourists every day.
Yeah.
Cool thing about this beach is that since there's so many trees, you got a million options for shade all the way down the beach. Loads of shade everywhere. Ready, set, go.
Run.
Yeah. We have had loads of really sunny days lately though. I think it's been about 5 days, right?
Yeah, 5 days.
Yeah, like 5 days straight. Bits of rain, but most of the time like really sunny, so we're really lucky. Warm water, right? Very warm. Oh, look at this little guy. There's a little, I don't know what, something in there. Looks like it's very shallow. Still nice and refreshing. Yeah, it's cool now that we're here more time, we're discovering all these new places, right? There's so many different beaches to go to.
Yeah, now we know many different spots, and we know like how to get to places without looking into the Google Maps.
Yeah, we know our way around.
Yeah. It's nice to know a place like a paradise like this. The next time we come back, maybe with our families, I don't know.
We can show them around.
We'll show them around and go to the best places.
Yeah, this will definitely be on the list of places to show friends or family if we ever come here with them. Much needed. We keep talking about it now, but it is really bad, right?
Yeah, I think it's the season, so
rain season.
Pretty much every beach we go, we have the same issue with the nick or sandfly.
Yeah, it's really bad here as well. I think that might be why the tractor guy was going back and forward. I'm not sure if it's to get rid of sandflies, maybe they're eggs, I don't know.
Yeah, I read online that the eggs sometimes are on the sand, so maybe they do that to kill the egg.
That would make sense, because we were wondering why that guy was driving around. We're thinking of going to the restaurant at sunset time, so I think we might get a pretty good sunset. Usually sunsets look better with clouds, a bit of clouds, so yeah, hopefully it's gonna be an epic one. COVID guidelines here everywhere, so I guess this was kind of like from before, but yeah, it's the usual: no mask, no entry, temperature scan in place, social distancing, washing. We had mentioned probably about 3 weeks ago when we were at Nakban Beach that a lot of tourists were planning on leaving. and we have seen a huge decrease in yeah, the amount of tourists that we're seeing now in El Nido and stuff. It's more empty than ever at the moment. Yeah, so obviously that's not good for the local industry, right? But yeah, people just eventually left once it reopened, it seems. Still a few people around, but yeah, you've been seeing all the beaches we're going to, every single one, even the main beaches, pretty much nobody ever around. It's kind of weird actually, being the only people around everywhere we go. So we tried walking down that way, but yeah, security guard came. He said that area is closed, beach closed. I'm not sure why. The airport's the opposite way, so I don't know. I think this is kind of like private land or something, so I guess some areas are off limits. Got a hippie section here. Check out this stuff, the art. Got some surfboards here as well, some cool designs. So we actually saw this place online, Globy. That's how we knew Lio was open again. Technology. Alright, the food is served. So I got some veggie quesadillas. This was 200. I also got an iced latte for 140. And you got some fish and chips, right?
Yeah.
The fish fingers were
220.
220. We don't know how much the price was though. But we get 20% off because of the current COVID situation. So yeah, that's the price for everything. Pretty trendy looking place, check it out. Got the music going on. Probably get a copyright claim. Hopefully not. Right on the beach. We left just in time for the sunset. Should be any time now. We were just saying, this reminds us a bit of like Tulum in Mexico, right?
Yeah, the vibes and also the places, like nice places.
Yeah, they've really developed this area well. It's like nice, trendy places mixed with nature. Looks awesome. Pretty nice sunset. Not that many clouds, but it's still like a nice pink color, and the silhouette of the island looks awesome. So we're probably gonna head out now before it gets pitch black. I don't usually like riding the scooter that much in the dark. So yeah, just another nice day exploring El Nido. There's still many, I think, other places for us to explore, some other beaches that we haven't been to. We're planning on still visiting some new beaches over the next few days if the weather's still good. Yeah, hopefully it continues to be like it's been the last few days. So as always, just drop a like on the video to support us, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you around.